Hi children, we are going to learn science, second lesson, teeth and microbes. Teeth and microbes. Teeth and microbes. Clean and well-kept teeth. Clean and well-kept teeth make our smile is beautiful. Okay? Teeth gives us proper shape, shape, proper shape to our face, Okay, teeth gives us proper shape to our face. Okay, our face proper shape give us. Second, it helps us. Teeth helps us speak clearly. It helps us speak clearly, and they enable us bite. Helps us bite and chew food. Chew food then makes us easily digestion. Okay, chew food makes us easily digestion. Okay, teeth is very important part of our body. Teeth gives us proper shape to our face. And it helps us speak clearly. And they enable the bite and chew food, then makes us easily digestion. Teeth are two sets of teeth. How many sets? Two sets of teeth.
Second video.
Teeth are two sets of teeth. How many sets? Two sets. A newborn baby has no teeth. Then she grow fast tooth 6 months old. Okay? 6 months old. By that time she is two and or 3 years old. She get 20 teeth. How many teeth? 20 teeth. These are called as milk teeth or temporary teeth. These are called as milk teeth or temporary teeth. Okay, two sets of teeth, 6 months old to grow the first tooth in new baby, and 2.5 years or 3 years old baby she gets 20 teeth. 20 teeth are called as milk teeth or temporary teeth. Next, between the age of 6 and 12 years. Between the age of 6 and 12 years, and the milk teeth are 12 years. The milk teeth are fall down one by one. These are the milk teeth. Here like. These are the molars. Canine. Incisors. These are the incisors. Canine and molars. Total teeth are 20 teeth. These are the temporary teeth. These are the temporary teeth or milk teeth. Temporary teeth or milk teeth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 are the upper jaw, 10 are the lower jaw. These are the temporary teeth. Temporary teeth. These fall out 6 years and 12 years one by one. One by one fall out. Fall out, and in their place new teeth are grow. In their place new teeth are grow. New teeth are grow in their place. These new teeth are called as permanent teeth. These new teeth are called as permanent teeth. Permanent teeth. Here see children, these are the temporary teeth. Okay, temporary teeth are the 10 here. These 2 are molars. This one canine. These 4 are the incisors. Canine, molars. Okay, these are the temporary teeth. In 6 and 12 years, the milk teeth fall out one by one, and new ones grow in their place. New ones are grow. This new ones consists of 32 teeth. How many teeth? 32 teeth. New set consists as 32 teeth. These are called as permanent teeth. Upper jaw is 16. Upper jaw 16 teeth. Upper jaw 16 teeth. Upper jaw and 16 teeth. Remaining 16 teeth. Lower jaw. Remaining 16 teeth. Lower jaw. Okay. These 16 teeth are the upper jaw. These 3 are the molars, premolars, canine, incisors, canine, premolars and molars. These are the permanent teeth. These are the temporary teeth. 2 sets of teeth. Okay. Next, kinds of teeth. Next, kinds of teeth. Kinds of teeth. Kinds. Teeth are the 4 types. How many types? 4 types. That one is incisors. Incisors are called as cutting teeth. Next, second one, canines. Canines are called as, next another name, tearing teeth. Third one, premolars. Another name is cracking teeth. Fourth one, molars. Molars are grinding teeth. Grinding teeth. Okay, these are the kinds of teeth. Incisors are the cutting teeth. Like these are the chisel shape. Incisors are the chisel shape. Means CHISEL. Chisel shape means hammer like shape teeth. These are the front of each jaw. Here see, these are the incisors. This white color here, upper jaw 2, lower jaw 2. Totally incisors are 4 four, these are the chisel shape, like hammer and hammer like bully type lo untavi. These teeth are front of each jaw are incisors. We use them, these incisors are used them to bite our food. Okay, chewing our, bite our food, cut cheyadaniki food ni soft koncham. This is our food like rice, cut cheyadaniki ఈ incisors ఉపయోగపడుతుంది. నెక్స్ట్ canines. Canines are called as tearing teeth. It is are the either side of the cutting teeth. Okay, means incisors పక్కనే ఉంటాయి. This white color. Okay, these are the canines are the sharp tooth. Means fork like teeth. Okay, here see fork like teeth, చాలా షార్ప్ గా ఉంటుంది. These canines are which use tear pieces. This is the food. Incisors are the cut the food and canines are the pieces, small pieces like cut the canines. And next premolars. Canines after premolars, upper two, lower two. These are the four premolars in each jaw, means upper jaw and lower jaw. Upper jaw is two premolars and lower jaw also two premolars. They are the broad teeth. Canines are the so small, koncham small, and incisors are the like this, and premolars are the broad. Okay, broad teeth. Okay, and next to the canines, they act like nutcrackers. They are meant crushing food. బాగా క్రష్ చేస్తుంది, ఫుడ్ని బాగా క్రష్ చేసి స్మాల్ పీసెస్గా చేస్తుంది, ఇంకా స్మాల్ పీసెస్గా చేస్తుంది. ప్రీమోలార్స్. నెక్స్ట్ మోలార్స్. Molars are the 6 molars. Upper jaw 3 and lower jaw 3. Upper jaw 3 molars and lower jaw 3 molars. In each jaw has 3 molars. Totally 6 molars. They are broader than premolars. Premolars కన్నా ఇంకా broader than. Okay, ఇలా పెద్దగా ఉంటాయి. Premolars కన్నా పెద్దగా ఉంటాయి. The premolars and have broad upper surface to grind food. Totally grind. మనం గ్రైండర్లో వేస్తే పిండి ఎలా అవుతుంది, సో సాఫ్ట్ కదా, అలానే మనం ఫుడ్ eat our mouth so soft and easily digest. Okay, teeth are very important to our body and we chewing food easily to digestion. This is the teeth. Okay, teeth are the 4 types: incisors, canines, premolars and molars. Incisors are the cut the teeth, cutting teeth, called as cutting teeth. These it helps us, we eat food, food is cutting. Okay, food ni cut chestundi incisors. Canines are tearing teeth, means food ni small pieces ga chestundi. Premolars are cracking teeth, very small ga chestundi food ni. Molars means grinding type, so soft, pindi padardham laga chestundi. These are the kinds of teeth. Okay children, thank you.